Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The Best Smoker Cookbook is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to master the art of smoking. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a complete beginner, the right cookbook can unlock a world of flavor and technique. In this video, we'll dive into the best smoker cookbooks available, helping you choose the perfect guide to elevate your grilling game and impress your friends and family with mouth-watering smoked dishes. Number 5. Raichlen Barbecue Cookbook, a meat smoking manifesto. This cookbook is your key to unlocking the secrets of amazing barbecue. It's packed with tips and techniques to help you master the art of smoking meat. Written by the experts at Raichlen Barbecue, this book shares their knowledge and passion. You'll discover how they create their world-famous barbecue. Inside, you'll find detailed instructions on everything from choosing the right cuts of meat to managing your smoker. It covers all the essential steps. The book includes a variety of delicious recipes for brisket, ribs, and more. It will guide you through each recipe step by step. With this book, you'll gain the skills and confidence to create incredible barbecue at home. It's your guide to becoming a true barbecue master. What we like. This book is a manifesto for meat smoking. It dives deep into the techniques used by a barbecue master. If you are looking to master the art of brisket and understand the nuances of low and slow cooking, you should consider this. What people say. Chapter 2 gives a brief description of several types of smokers, the original pits, the offset smokers, and the upright drum smoker. He details how and why his smokers work and what the home enthusiast can do to maximize the performance of theirs. He then talks about different kinds of wood. Then fire and smoke. Then meat. Then cooking in general. Then recipes for brisket, spare ribs, and turkey breast. Number 4. Project Smoke, Smoked Food Recipes by Raichlen. Are you ready to elevate your grilling game? This book unveils the 7 steps to smoked food nirvana. It's the ultimate guide to mastering the art of smoking. From slam dunk brisket to adventurous smoked bacon bourbon, this book has it all. It offers a fresh take on classic recipes, making them accessible and exciting. Explore a world of flavors with 100 mouth-watering recipes. The book provides detailed instructions and tips to ensure your success every time you fire up the smoker. This isn't just a cookbook, it's a journey into the world of smoke. It explores techniques and ingredients, helping you become a true barbecue expert. Written by Raichlen, a trusted name in barbecue. He shares his expertise and passion, guiding you through every step of the smoking process. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide range of recipes. It goes beyond the basics with adventurous flavor combinations. If you like to experiment with different smoked dishes and explore new tastes, you should consider it. What people say. For example, he explains the options for flavoring the raw food, salting, curing, brining, marinades, etc. He makes the differences in smoking methods sound simple, and he includes easy-to-read charts for identifying which woods are used for smoking regionally. Chapters are devoted to basics and the 7 steps to smoking nirvana and explanations of smoker types, 35 pages on that, so it's far more than a vague arm wave. Starters, beef, pork, lamb, burgers, sausages, and more, poultry, seafood, vegetables, side dishes, and meatless smoking, desserts, cocktails. Project Smoke not only tells you how to cook meat, but it tells you how to smoke vegetables, cheese, fish, absolutely everything, and also includes recipes for the sauces and spice rubs. Number 3. The Complete Electric Smoker Cookbook. Are you ready to elevate your grilling game? This cookbook is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of electric smoking. It's packed with everything you need to know. Explore a wide variety of mouth-watering recipes. From classic favorites to innovative creations, there's something for every taste. It will help you to create amazing meals. Learn the essential techniques for achieving smoky perfection. The book covers everything from temperature control to wood chip selection. This will help you to become a smoking expert. Enjoy the convenience of electric smoking without sacrificing flavor. This cookbook simplifies the process, making it easy to create delicious meals. You will love the results. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound smoking skills. This cookbook is your key to unlocking a world of flavor. It's a must-have for any grilling enthusiast. What we like. This book is tailored for electric smokers. It provides essential techniques and recipes for this type of smoker. If you have an electric smoker and want to learn how to use it effectively, you should consider this. What people say. This book was perfect as it explains everything from the different types of smokers and choices of woods to use, to great new marinades and barbecue sauces. There are many meat and vegetable recipes with easy-to-understand directions for the newbie. It offers fantastic suggestions as to what to buy and what to look for. Number 2. Smoking Meat 101, Beginner's Guide. Welcome to Smoking Meat 101. This guide is designed for beginners. It will teach you everything you need to know to start smoking meat like a pro. Smoking is a cooking method that uses low heat and smoke to cook food. This process imparts a unique flavor and texture. It's a great way to enjoy delicious meals. There are many types of smokers available. They range from simple charcoal grills to advanced electric models. Consider your budget and experience level when choosing one. Different meats require different smoking times and temperatures. Popular choices include brisket, ribs, and chicken. Make sure to choose high-quality meat. Proper preparation is key to great smoked meat. This includes trimming, seasoning, and sometimes marinating. This step helps the meat absorb the smoky flavor. Maintain a consistent temperature throughout the smoking process. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the meat is cooked to the desired internal temperature. Patience is key. Once the meat is cooked, let it rest before slicing and serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful meal. Enjoy your delicious creation. What we like. This is the ultimate guide for beginners. It simplifies the smoking process with easy-to-follow instructions. If you are new to smoking and want to learn the fundamentals, you should consider it. What people say. This book is broken into 2 valuable parts. In Part 1, the first 32 pages focuses on giving a very consumable and unbiased voiceover of the fundamentals of smoking. It has a lot of juicy information about how different smokers work, and I immediately put a marker on page 20 because the author provides a great quick reference table for meats including smoking temperature, cooking time, internal temperature, and which wood to use. Each recipe in this book contains a single paragraph for context, and then it's on to ingredients and the instructions. Easy to read, great recipes and good visuals. Number 1. The Grill Bible, 1200 Barbecue Recipes. Are you ready to become a barbecue master? This cookbook is your key. It reveals secrets to tender and juicy barbecue that will impress everyone. Discover the ultimate Texas brisket secrets. This guide will help you understand the techniques. You'll be making award-winning brisket in no time. With 1,200 recipes, there's something for every occasion. It covers a wide range of barbecue styles. This book will keep you grilling all year long. Surprise your guests with amazing barbecue. This book provides all the recipes and tips you need. It's your guide to becoming a pitmaster. Want to be an award-winning pitmaster? This book provides the knowledge. It's packed with everything you need to know about grilling and smoking. What we like. This cookbook offers a vast collection of recipes. It reveals the secrets to award-winning Texas brisket. If you like to have a wide variety of options and want to master the art of Texas-style barbecue, you should consider this. What people say. Discover a great grilling and smoking cookbook, brimming with flavorful insights. This is a good cookbook for grilling, smoking your meats. It describes what flavor would pellets go with what different meats. Giving instructions on how to prepare the meat and gain the best taste out of the food, the Grill Bible shows everyday people how to cook like a chef on a wood pellet smoker and grill. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.